like those white rats up there.
We all white rats.
Come on, guys. Run. See, they're very obvious in the wild. That's why they're easily caught and eaten. In fact, most of the animals are designed to blend in perfectly with their environment and to be nearly invisible. And that is what we call camouflage. Right now, I'm looking for a friend of mine who blends in perfectly with his environment. Have you seen him? Nakita niyo po ba yung kaibigan ko? Hindi? O, sige, hanapin natin. How about on this side? Ano po nakikita natin? A frog. Pero hindi po yan totoo. How about in the middle? Lizard. Okay, check natin. Hindi rin siya totoo. And how about on the other side? The one who's sitting on that branch.
Owl.
Ano po yan, sir? An owl.
Ow.
Okay, trainer Lito, can you please help us? Tunay kaya yan? Actually, kanina pa po yan nandyan. Ayan, gumalaw. Tunay nga. Our little friend right here is a Philippine Scout owl. And his name is George. And he has a bigger friend. And that is Maximus, our eagle owl. They are nocturnal, which means they are more active at night. They have an amazing eyesight that they can catch their meal even in complete darkness. And they have specialized feathers that help them muffle their sound so they can fly silently and catch their prey more easily. And lastly, owls can rotate their head for about
360 degrees.
ilan po? Maraming nagkakamali dito. Ilan po? 360. Ayan. Exorcism na po yun, ma'am. Nabali na po yung leg ng owl. Okay. Lower than 360 and higher than 250.
280.
Ano ba? 200 plus? Lower, ma'am, konti. Ay, hindi ko mama. Actually, owls can rotate their head for about 270 degrees only. Amazing, right? Folks, have a big round of applause for George and Maximus. Thank you so much, guys. All animals have 5 senses, just like us. Sense of sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. But other animals have developed their keen senses beyond what we can even imagine. Again, I'm looking for a friend of mine who happens to be a great sniffer. He can smell a tasty fruit from a long distance away. Have you seen him?
Bearcat.
Ayan, ito na pala siya. Ayan, there he is. This furry creature right here is a palm civet, and his name is Larry. Just like our stuffed owl friend, he's busy at night finding their food. So his eyesight is very excellent in the dark. But his specialty is his sensitive sense of smell. Okay, let's put this to a test. I have 3 bamboo cups right here, and I'm going to place the treat under one of these bamboo cups. Larry's job is to sniff it out, and he will going to tell us that he found the treat by flipping the bamboo cup over using his phone. Okay, let's try it. First cup, second cup, and third cup. Now I will put the treat under the third cup. Larry, whenever you are ready, go find the treat. Come on, Larry. Sniffing, and he got it. Great job! Wow, napakahusay naman ni Larry, di ba? Now let's make it more difficult. But this time, you decide. Where do you want to place the treat? First cup or second cup? Under the first cup. Okay. Alright, Larry, again, whenever you are ready, go find the treat for us. Sniffing, and he did it again. So, have a big round of applause for Larry, our palm civet. Alright, good job, guys. Thank you so much, Larry. Okay, I have a puzzle for you guys. What has a face like a cat, a body like a bear, with a long bushy tail and smells like buttered popcorn? Any idea? Actually, sinabi ko na eh. Well, the answer is right above your head. And that is Yuda, our Bindurong, also known as Bearcat. Come on, Yuda. There you go. See that bushy tail? It helps him balance on the vine. It is prehensile that he can hang from it. Just like that. Ayan. Ang galing, di ba? Binturong have a lot to say. They chuckle when they are happy. They have a high-pitched wail when they are annoyed. They howl, grunt, and hiss. They also use that buttered popcorn smell to mark their territories. And they have a usual hind feet that they can rotate them backwards and walk down the tree head first. And Yuda will show us how. Come on, Yuda, show them. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, and lastly, Binturoks can only be found in the beautiful island of, start with the letter P. Pampanga? Palawan. Yes, that's why they refer to us Palawan Bearcat. Folks, have a big round of applause for Yuda, our Binturok friend. Right. Say goodbye, Yuda. Bye.
Bye!
This world is truly wild and crazy. Imagine spending half of your life looking at the world upside down.
Naulo ka na
There are
ba?
animals who do just like that. Ano pong animals yung nakabaliktad? A bat. Okay, let's see if you're right.
Magagaling yan.
And yes, you're right. And that is bamboo, our giant fruit bat. Well, I say giant because he is one of the largest bats in the world. When they are full grown, they have a wingspan of 5 feet long. Show them, bamboo. More time. And bamboo has 5 toes on each foot, 4 fingers on its delicate and stretchy wings. His tongue stick out so he can move along the branches. So everybody's wondering, why do bats hang upside down? Bakit po kaya sila nakabaliktad? Any idea? Wala? Okay. Well, here's a couple of reasons. But first, I want you to try this. Close your hands like this. Come on, everybody. Real tight. See how much energy it takes to do that? Now, I want you to relax. Relax po natin. What happened? It opens, right? Well, the bat claws works the opposite. When they are relaxed, their claws are closed. So when they are hanging the branch, they're more comfortable. The other reason is their legs are so small and thin that they are not designed to walk and take off from the ground like a bird. So what they must do
Crawl.
is to climb to a higher stage, just like that.
Oh.
And when they are high enough, they actually fall into flight.
Ah.
One around bamboo.
Ah.
Alright, then that is how a bat flies. Amazing, right? So now a big round of applause for bamboo. Our giant fruit bat.
Ayos yun.
Thank you so much, Trainer Riel. Do you want to see more? Yes, of course. Let's meet another flying friend. And he is native here in the Philippines and has a strange looking beak. I want you to meet Noy Noy, our Rufus hornbill. See that big thing sitting on the top of his beak? That is what we call the cap. We believe it acts like a vibrating chamber to make their voices louder. Hornbills are quite chatty. Their calls range from deep booming sounds to braying like a donkey, to bellows and cackle. And I know it's hard to see, but hornbills have eyelashes. Meron po silang piling mata. Pakita mo nga, trainer dito. Other side. Ayan, di ba? To make them cute and sexy. Sa kabila, sabi nga nila, sana all. Noy is a combination of fruits, insects, and other smaller animals. And its beak is quite handy, that we can pluck fruit from trees just like our fingers. And Noy will show us how. Okay, we have here grapes, banana, and apple. Trainer dito, ano bang favorite ni Noy? Apple, okay. Noy, choose one. Ayan, grapes. So, binago na. Okay, binago na daw pala. Hindi na pala banana. And it's big enough that we can catch meal in midair. Okay, Noy? Ready? Good job. Okay, now I need a volunteer. How about you? Wanna try? Okay, hold it. All you have to do is toss it higher, just like this. Already? Higher? Alright, thank you so much. Folks, now a big round of applause for Noy, our Rupert Hornbill. Okay. The next animal that I'm going to introduce to you is one of my favorites. But it is feared by many humans for no good reason. I don't know why. Mukhang alam niyo na. Do you know what animal is this? Snake, yes. Specifically, a Burmese python. One of the largest snakes in the world. They can grow up to 6 meters long and can weigh up to 75 kilograms. But they are not venomous and not aggressive. So if you see a python, just leave them alone and they will get out of your way as quickly as they can. So are you ready to meet my friend? Are you ready? Yes, okay, meet my friend, Dennis. Nandiyan ba? Wala? Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Hoy! Hindi pa yan, Sir Yen. Hindi pa yan. Can you see his tongue? He keeps sticking his tongue out because he's smelling the air with it. Try that sometime. Ang hirap, di ba? And Dennis has no ID. So his eyes are always open, even when they are sleeping. It is protected by transparent scales called trichocel. And see the beautiful pattern on the skin? This blends in perfectly with this environment, just like our tree branch right here. Ayan.
Ang laki.
So many people think that snakes are slippery and slimy. Are they? Slippery and slimy po ba sila? Who says slippery and slimy? Taas ang kamay. 49. How about who can try? 33. Ang bilis mo magbilang ha. Okay, then how about I don't know? Sigurado marami. Oh, meron nga. Sige, ganito na lang. Why don't we choose a brave volunteer from the audience to find out? Meron na ba? Ay, ano na pala? Ang brave volunteer natin. Mukhang makakabang natin si ma'am. Dito tayo. Hi ma'am, what is your name? Ma'am Sophia, may tanong ako sa'yo. Are you afraid of snakes? Hindi naman. Okay, sige. Buti naman. Sino po kasama natin? Okay, hi muna. Ano ba? Family? Friend? Family. O, say hi to family. Hi! Everyone kay Ma'am Sophia.
Ano kuya? Ano?
Okay. Okay, Ma'am Sophia. We will play a little game. All you have to do is follow my instruction. Napakadali lang naman to. Sino po? Ate, kasama po kayo? Pampanga, okay, walking distance. Dito pa tayo, ma'am? Okay, so first, I want you to touch, ano ba? I want you to touch Dennis' tail, just like this. Then slide lang po natin ng 3 times. Okay, Ma'am Sophia, it's your turn. Hold it. Matapang natin, Ma'am Sophia. Totoo nga. Okay, Ma'am Sophia, next na lang tayo. Now I want you to feel down his body.
Tapang eh, sumasakit yan eh. Sumasakit.
Mas matapang pa sa nanay yan.
Down to the tail. Walang katakot-takot. Okay, then last, I want you to touch Dennis' head. Okay, your turn. Ha? Hindi pa kumakain. Naku po, patay tayo. For how many long? 6 months na. Naku, gutom na to si Jenny. Good size, ma'am. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, Trainer Yell will show us first. All you have to do is raise your hand, just like that. Then in a count of 3, touch Jenny's head. Okay, Ma'am Sophia, it's your turn. Move closer. Raise your hand. Okay, folks, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Trainer Olan. Yung takip na sinigang, hinuhulog mo, nagugulat kami. Okay, okay na? Okay, dito ba tayo, Ma'am Sophia? Ngayon, ma'am, may tanong ako sa'yo. Which of such Dennis are they slippery and slimy or smooth and dry?
Smooth and dry.
Yes, snakes are smooth and dry and not smooth and slimy. At dahil tama ang sagot ni Ma'am Sophia, ano ba free photo with Dennis? Okay, look at the camera. Then smile, kunyari masaya kayo, ma'am. There you go. Okay, folks, how about a big round of applause for our last guest. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sophia. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of our show.
Dapat sa silent din.
Napakasama ni Ma'am Sophia, no? In our show today, we've met some pretty amazing animals, right? But some people see, just like those, they want to take them home and turn them into pets. Wild animals do not get fed. Sadly, they suffer and die in the care of humans. Do not keep a wild animal as a pet. Instead, why don't we choose a domestic animal like a man's best friend? And this is Kiko.
Andrea,
Hi, Kiko. Dogs are intelligent, honest, forgiving, and always glad to see you. You can have so much fun together, just like this. Dogs like Kiko wants nothing more but to be part of a loving family just like yours. So adopt a dog and have the best pet ever. Is that right, Kiko? Ang haba ng sinabi ni Kiko, Trainer Fonda. Ano bang sabi niya? Yes, kahaba. Are you sure? Okay, yes lang daw talaga. Sige, ganda na lang, Kiko. How about we wave goodbye before you go? Say goodbye! Bye! Wow! Napakabig naman ni Kiko. Folks, napakabig round of applause for Kiko, our rescue dog. Thank you so much, guys. All the animals you've seen today, they were sick, injured, abandoned, and nursed back to good health. Every one of them has a story to tell. They are here to tell us about their cousins in the wild and those on the street. All they ask is to protect the fragile environment they call home and don't let more species disappear forever. Give freely of your kindness and compassion. From the dogs on the street, to the bats in the trees, to the birds in the sky, and to the snakes on the forest path.
May iba na ulit.
Give them your promise to do your part to help because they are all counting on us. So on behalf of our animal friends, the trainers, and the sound guy up there, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. And we hope you enjoyed the show.